Well, I was not expecting to make this video today. So, hi. I didn't embarrassed. Don't find things embarrassing. I thankfully she didn't find mine. But she found some that I had. I'm into weird stuff. I'm into Goro. A lot of other fucked up shit. So, yeah. God damn it. My mom walks in and goes, "So, what kind of anime do you like to watch?" And I go, "Well, there's a lot of different kinds. I guess my favorite is isekai. Like, trapped in another world stuff. Kind of cool, but I watch really all kinds." She goes, "Okay, so do you watch the hentai?" Bust out laughing hysterically out of the fucking awkwardness of it. I'm like, oh good god, why are we having this conversation right now? What the fuck? So I respond, do you? And she goes, well, I think of mine of by accident. And I'm like, interesting. Yeah, I think it was on the iPad. And I'm like, why are you looking for photos on my iPad? Well, I was using photos, and then I wanted to go back and find them. And I ran into that. And I'm like, god damn it. So she's like, are you okay? I'm like, what do you mean am I okay? She's like, that's some really weird shit. Like, looking at some of this stuff physically hurt. And I'm like, Mom, god damn it. Not real. Don't worry. And she's like, some people have sex addictions, where they're into some really specific stuff, and because of that, they can't get intimate with other people. And this video is getting fucking age restricted. So, and I'm like, well, Mother, I can tell you for sure that's not a problem. I have personal experience to verify it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Please, let's never fucking speak of this again. So, I just wiped the fucking iPad to factory default settings. For the record, this is my iPad, that's why it's on my account. But my parents like to use it so much that half the time I don't know where the fuck it is. So now I just wiped its ass to factory defaults. I'm gonna give it its own fucking account, and then I'm gonna wipe my fucking phone to factory defaults. Make a goddamn Japanese account. So, there's no way in hell she'll ever fucking find anything. At least she doesn't find out that I make hentai. You know what? Okay, so she's found my vibrator twice. She's like, what the fuck is this? I'm like, you know what that is. She's like, why do you have it? And I'm like, because I'm an adult. Just put it down and just walked out. And 6 months later, she's like, what the fuck is this? And I just looked at her and I went, Mom, we've already had this conversation. Put it down, get the heck out. We're not having this conversation again. And so now I've hid it in a spot that I know she doesn't even know exists. It's a secret compartment in a fucking secret compartment underneath 20 pounds of crap that I know she doesn't want to move. So, she's not gonna fucking find it. Apparently, I have to fucking set my goddamn shit to Japanese. So I'm the only fucking person who can read anything. And the only person who can fucking figure out how to send it to my phone, because it's in fucking Japanese. So yeah. Fucking do that now. Yeah. Not fun. Not fun. Not fun at all. Not clickbait title. Very real, very unfortunate. Yeah, I'm just gonna go hide in my bed for the next few hours. Maybe bitch about this on Chatterbait. I don't know. This video is gonna get age restricted as fuck. God damn it. Watch us get a community guideline strike for this shit, I swear. That's so bullshit if I do. Ugh. Well, you know what happens if it happens. Anyway, I'm gonna go cry in a corner. Not literally, but I'm just gonna go stop existing for a while. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna go hiding in a corner until I stop being embarrassed. So yeah, fuck.